I'm Apple Gotyong. I'm 16 years old and I'm from Cebu City and I go to Paraf Southcrest. It's my first time playing in JPGT. I had good putting today. I had a few missed 3 putts. My drives were good. Mostly my misses were careless and I plan to do better tomorrow.
Patrick Jean Roberto Tambalque, 16, Learning Leaks Academy. Ang maganda ngayon sa game ko, ang highlight is first hole ko kasi first shot ko medyo na short pero pag chip ko pumasok. Then ang hole number 15, pag drive ko medyo sablay, sa punuan siya. Pero pag blast ko pa out ng trees, dumikit siya 1 pin tapos pumat. Then ang lows ng games ko ngayon, decision making medyo mapangit ngayon, pero bukas alam ko na gagawin ko to improve my game. Game plan lang bukas, fairway greens lang kasi sikip ng fairway talaga. So yun lang, fairway greens at dadating ang birdie.